Last week, I watched a small business owner fix how Instagram algorithm approves new accounts for growth in 48 hours. She went from 0 reach to 200 profile visits daily. Instagram doesn't approve accounts the way you think. There's no green checkmark from a human reviewer. Instead, the algorithm watches your first 30 days like a hawk. It scores your behavior in real time. Pass the test and you get distribution. Fail and you stay invisible for months. Here's exactly how Instagram decides if your new account deserves growth. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. Complete your profile in one session. Instagram tracks how fast you fill bio, profile photo, and contact info. Accounts completed within 24 hours of creation get a trust boost. Use a business category and add your website. ReputationZilla sees this pattern with clients building social media growth from scratch. Wait 48 hours before heavy posting. Brand new accounts that spam content immediately get flagged as bots. Post one piece of content on day one. Then pause. Let the algorithm see you're human. This waiting period separates real businesses from fake accounts. Engage before you broadcast. Spend your first week commenting on 10 accounts in your niche daily. Like 20 posts. Reply to 3 stories. Instagram rewards accounts that participate in the community before asking for attention. This is how the algorithm measures intent. Post at consistent times for 14 days straight. The algorithm loves predictability in new accounts. Pick 2 time slots and stick to them. Morning and evening work best for small business owners. Consistency signals you're here to stay, not to spam and vanish. Avoid external links in your first 10 posts. New accounts that drive traffic away from Instagram get deprioritized. Keep people on platform. Use native features like Reels and Stories. After 2 weeks, the algorithm trusts you enough to share links without penalty. ReputationZilla applies this same patience to social media growth strategies for clients. Now the numbers. Days Instagram monitors new accounts is 30. Engagement actions needed daily, first week, is 33. Posts before external links allowed is 10. Here's what it costs. 30. Compare these 2 paths. Accounts that complete profiles in 24 hours and wait 48 hours before posting see 340% more reach in month 2. They get Reels pushed to explore pages. Comments from Reel users appear naturally. Versus accounts that rush posting in hour 1 and spam links get shadow banned by day 5. Their content never leaves their follower feed. Growth flatlines at 50 followers even after 6 months of effort. Look at this detail. If your account gets restricted in the first 30 days, Instagram rarely reverses it. You'll need to start over with a new account. One violation, like posting prohibited content or aggressive following, can blacklist your business name across the platform. This impacts your online reputation beyond just Instagram. Protect your brand from day one. The biggest mistake is connecting Facebook too early. Instagram sees this as a spam signal from new accounts. Wait 21 days before linking other platforms. Also, buying followers in week 1 destroys your approval score permanently. The algorithm detects fake engagement and buries your account. ReputationZilla fixes these errors through proper social media growth recovery, but prevention is easier than repair. ReputationZilla offers these services. Professional Reputation Management Agency. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Instagram algorithm approves new accounts for growth by watching your first 30 days. Complete your profile fast. Wait before posting. Engage authentically. Post consistently. Avoid external links early. These 5 steps signal you're a real business, not a bot. Building a trustworthy online reputation takes more than one platform. ReputationZilla helps small business owners manage reviews, dispute fake attacks, and grow social media the right way. Get help with your online reputation at ReputationZilla.org today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org. If this helped you, subscribe for more from ReputationZilla and tap the link below. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.